paying attention?
Yes.
Good. All right.
All right. Like it came.
Made it a little bit bigger. But here's the way we're going to do this. Yes, you have to raise your hand, and I will call on people to come up here and circle something that's hiding. All right. Would you like to come up? All right. Let's do it in red. Can you do that again? I have the wrong color. Yeah. All right, what are you looking for? There are a couple things I will tell you. There's like a comb. See how the comb? There's something just like that. There's also some sailboat, of course, which is really hard. There is. Maybe that's all there's left. You want to find the comb over here? Look close to the turtle's head. See something that looks like a comb. Yeah,
That was that.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, it's like a closet thing, I think.
Yeah, it's a shutter on a window too. So, all right, let's see. I think the only one left is the sailboat, which is the hardest one, but I think you probably see it, right? Well, it's right in front of you.
It's right
in front of you. Who sees it? No. All right. Who is sure they see the actual sailboat?
I do. No,
All right, I'm going to believe you. See what you see. All right, come on.
I know it's
the last one.
Yeah, somebody's got to find it.
Yeah, find it.
Is this the hardest one? Oh, I think I found it.
No, I'll tell you. All right, let me show it to everybody.
All right, he's going to show you guys.
This is the sail right here.
I knew it!
All right, some people do it. All right, thank you.
That is so hard.
That's the hardest one.